I'm Golan Benoni, Chief Information Officer for IDT Telecom in Newark. We provide secure communications for our customers, and we are proud to be an Arista customer. CIOs are becoming increasingly concerned about security and the environment, and here's why. First of all, it's becoming more complex, and it's getting more complex every day. Secondly, it's not cheap to own or operate. A third reason is the cloud should be making things easier, but actually the opposite is happening. Number 4, customers are still challenged to deploy security. Finally, security should be made simpler, and this is where Arista Networks can help. Let's talk more about complexity. Today, to effectively manage a security program, you've got to have a number of full-time employees focused on silos. For example, email security, network security, endpoint security, which may include mobile desktops and servers, operating security, which would include Mac OS, Windows, Linux, even iOS and Android, user behavioral analytics, malware reverse engineering, and on and on. To make matters worse, state-sponsored actors with near unlimited resources are hitting private industry groups to steal intellectual property, resources, and of course it didn't help that the National Security Agency lost their attack tools and are now in the wild. The second point I wanted to talk about is the cost. It's not cheap to run security programs because there are so many products and so many silos. They don't work together, so there's a lot of overlap, but there are also many missing components. For example, a Windows machine cost may be low in itself, but if you add in security and management, it becomes a very high cost. And that's just between endpoints. If you take a look at EUBA, Security Information and Event Management, EDR and EPP, and firewalls, this all adds up. And it's way more than the 5% cost that the average organization invests in security as compared to IT. And even at 15% spend, we're still not doing what we need. Cloud isn't making security easier. It could be made easier, but what is actually occurring is that new features are being added every day, sometimes up to 5 or more for each cloud. And all of them have a new surface area of exposure. None of these can be protected with a simple firewall policy. As a result, many large organizations and companies have lost their data this way. No matter what the security spend, customers are still challenged and could be doing a better job. Big companies and banks that have near unlimited security budgets are still getting hacked. The rest of the world doesn't make use of what they have and get hit. IoT is a huge threat, and almost no security solutions cover that. We need to reboot security and make it simple to deploy and manage. I believe that Arista Networks is simplifying network security. They aren't trying to build yet another security silo. They are trying to enable better security integration with the network, reducing the silos, and here's how. Number 1, Arista brings a consistent segmentation approach across data center, campus, and cloud with EOS that helps to remove traditional and unnecessary barriers across security domains. 2, open approach to security integration with a broad ecosystem. Arista focuses on doing what it does best, switching and routing, and partners with the best of breed security solutions for customer choice. And finally, Arista brings a secure approach to network operations with device compliance and audit tools in CloudVision to help customers automate the security of their estate. I'm excited to be working with Arista Networks and their security partners to simplify and secure IT operations by addressing the latest security challenges. Thank you.